Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Volvo XC40. Begin by confirming your XC40 key fob has remote start and the parking brake is engaged. Check the owner's app settings and vehicle battery level before proceeding. Learn how to use the key fob, Volvo On-Call app, and physical settings to enable and run remote start safely and legally easily for quick warm-ups or cool downs today. Start with the key fob method and I will walk you through each press and pause. Lock the doors, press the lock button, then press and hold the remote start button until the lights flash. If the engine does not start, try replacing the key battery or moving closer to the vehicle. I will also cover common error messages and simple troubleshooting steps to avoid repeat issues and save time. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort on every drive. It pairs well with remote starts when heading out in cold weather. Check the description for the darn tough link and other deals, and grab a pair if you like the recommendation. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I cover the Volvo On-Call app process and useful app settings. Open the app, select your XC40, and choose Remote Start from the climate or vehicle controls. Confirm app permissions and location settings so commands reach the car. I explain how to schedule remote start, check remote start status, and cancel a start if needed. These tips help you warm up or cool down your XC40 before getting in.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.